To fix a Maytag front-load washer that isn't draining completely, it's essential to identify the common causes of the issue. Poor drain hose installation and a clogged drain pump filter are typical reasons for this problem. To resolve it, start by installing the drain hose correctly. Ensure it doesn't extend into the standpipe by more than 11 centimeters. And avoid connecting it too tightly to an external drain pipe, as this can cause siphoning. Additionally, the drain standpipe should be at least 76 centimeters away from the washer's base. Another solution is to clean the drain pump filter. With the washer turned off, open the dispenser drawer at the bottom of the appliance and remove it to access the pump filter. Before unscrewing the filter, use the black hose in the filter area to drain any residual water from the machine. Then, clean and rinse the filter thoroughly before putting it back in place. By following these steps, you can easily fix a Maytag front-load washer that's not draining properly.